Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the pubg login problem. Let's go. First of all, I will show you the problem. What is the problem in main login phase? And after I will show you how to solve that problem. First of all, open the pubg and you can see the problem here. As you can see, my original pubg account is not login. So I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. First of all, you need to download a VPN. You need VPN. After downloading the VPN, you have to choose the server. You can choose any country server. After connecting the server, you have to open the pubg mobile. You have to wait for a while. Now you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. You have to disconnect the VPN and open the pubg, and you have to turn off the Wi-Fi. And it will take some time. It will take little time. You have to click on OK button until it goes to main server, main page, main login page. Now again you have to connect to the VPN. Again you have to choose the server and connect to the VPN. Make sure you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. And go to your pubg again. Your pubg. You don't have to cross your pubg complex, or you don't have to close. Now you have to turn off the VPN. You have to turn off the VPN. Disconnect the VPN. Disconnect your VPN again.
I am Bengali.